Hello everyone, and welcome to this new video tutorial for Maverick Render. In this video we will learn about a new type of object we've added in Maverick. This is the target object, which you can create from this toolbar button here in the Objects panel. Let's see what this object can be used for. First let's move the one we just created away from the teapot. Now let's select the teapot's assembly, and in the Move tool panel let's swap its pivot with the target's pivot. We will do this using the option called Copy Pivot from selecting the target object in the dialog that will pop up. Now the teapot will move and orbit around its new pivot. For example, we might now create a radial array of clones by rotating while holding the Shift key pressed. Let's explore another practical example for turntable animation using one of our sample scenes. Let's create a new target object and place it wherever we like. Then in the Turntable Pivot options we will choose Selected Object, and pick the target we just created. And then the preview scrubber will reveal how the turntable rotates around the target. If we move the target and scrub the animation again, we will see how the rotation center always stays anchored to the target. This comes handy in cases such as jewelry renders. Again, let's create a new target object and place it wherever we like. Then in the Turntable Pivot options let's choose Selected Object, and pick the target we just created. And like before, the preview scrubber will reveal how the turntable rotates around the target. The target object adds flexibility when it comes to creating turntable animations that need a specific center of rotation. This is all for now. See you in the next video. Have fun rendering with Maverick.